Ever seen an amazing font and wished you knew what it was? Today, I'm going to show you how to identify fonts in Adobe Photoshop C6 using the powerful Match Font feature. First, select your Type tool from the toolbar. Navigate to the top menu bar. Click on Type, then select Match Font near the bottom. This is how we kick things off. Now, you will upload an image that contains the font you are trying to identify. Next, you want to select the text on the image using the Marquee tool or any selection tool. You should draw a box around the specific text you want Photoshop to analyze, allowing Photoshop to focus specifically on the font. Photoshop will then analyze the selected text. A Match Font panel should appear. Photoshop will automatically attempt to ID the selected font. If the font in your image is a common one, Photoshop usually nails it. Below that, you'll see similar looking fonts helping with your search options. The Match Font panel will display best guess. It will show options to download and open the font and adjust the size of the text. This great tool helps you quickly find and use fonts that inspire you. Now go forth and find those amazing fonts. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful Photoshop tips.